Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Muse symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Muse symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer, I'm just going to show. So there is a two-way to insert the symbol, but there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet web. So use your keyboard as a shortcut key. So here the first thing was you just can use Windows key plus dot symbol. This is one of the shortcut. The next thing was you just need to press Alt key with a 230 number. So I'm just going to show you this is our two shortcuts. So first shortcut, Windows key plus dot symbol. So which actually opens this dialog box, which is a Windows symbol dialog box. You just click on the symbol option here and just change the first gender punctuation. And now scroll down to the bottom section and you can find the Muse symbol here. This is how you just insert the Muse symbol. This is the first way. The second way, you just need to click inside the cell and just press the Alt key on your keyboard. Just type 230 and just leave the key. It automatically creates the Muse symbol. This is a keyboard shortcut. These are the two ways that you can just insert the Muse symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.